Welcome to Goodwill Dancers. The dance that we're going to look at in this video is called New Tattoo. It's a 32 count, 4-wall dance, improver or novice level. It was choreographed by ROB HOLLEY to the music New Tattoo by TIM HICKS. I'm going to put the music on and do a little demo for you so you see what it looks like, and then we'll go through the dance step by step.
I need a new tattoo, something sexy, something dangerous, something that's gonna make me think about us. I wanna feel that rush. I need a new kind of thrill, something to get my mind out of my head, something to get my heart thumping again. I might need too much. I need a new tattoo.
There you go. How was that? Pretty energetic dance. It's very quick. It can take a lot of space, so if I don't have a very big space here, so I may have to adjust my steps, and if you're trying to learn this in your living room or your kitchen or wherever, you may have to move a little bit of furniture out of the way, because it does take some space. But we'll do what we can. We'll take some tiny steps, and when you get out onto a bigger room, dance room, or on dance floor, take all the space you need. Okay, so I'm going to turn around, and we'll start with the first 8 counts. So we're going to start off with a toe strut to the side, leading with our right leg. Do a toe strut. Then we're going to cross over the right leg and do another toe strut. Now it's kind of tricky to do these toe struts to the side and cross over and do a toe strut without your knees getting all tangled up. So it's probably a lot easier if you sort of angle your body to the corner a little bit. It's just going to make your movements that much easier. Okay, so let's do those with the counts. Starting with the right leg, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to follow this with a rock step to the right on 5, 6. Then we're going to step behind to the side with our left and cross our right over. So we're going to do a behind side cross. After we've crossed our right, we've transferred our weight onto it. Our weight is on our right leg. Okay, let's put those two little sections together. That's the first 8 counts of the dance. So we start with our toe strut. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rock step on 5, 6. 5, 6. Behind side cross on 7 and 8. 7 and 8. Do it one more time with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now we're going to do the same toe struts to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to do the rock step. 5, 6. Except this time, instead of doing behind side cross, we're going to do a sailor step with a half turn. So we're going to bring our left leg in behind our right leg, transfer our weight onto our right afterwards, and turn. Okay, let's do that again. So we have finished our rock step. So we're going to bring our left leg behind, doing a quarter turn, step our right leg down where it is, and then another quarter turn to finish our half turn. Okay? Let's try just the left side, starting with our toe strut. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rock step on 5, 6. Sailor half turn on 7 and 8. Let's put those two together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, from here, we have our weight on our left leg after our sailor step. We are going to step forward on our right and do some hip bumps. So hip bump as we step down. 1, come back onto your left leg on and another hip bump with the right leg on 2. So it's going to look like this. It's going to be 1 and 2. We do the same thing for 3 and 4 but with the left leg. 3 and 4. So your first hip bump is when you step down. When you step forward and your hip bump is to the right. Once you step in your right foot, bring your weight back onto the left, then back onto your right. And then we do the same thing with the left. Step on the left hip bump, back onto your right, back onto your left. Okay, we'll do that with the counts again. So we just finished our sailor. Our weight is on our left leg. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. We're going to follow this with a rocking chair. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's do those 8 counts again. One last time, then we'll put the 3 sections together. So starting with the right leg. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now this is an improver level dance, so we do assume that a lot of these steps you know what they are. So we don't explain that much technique. I'm just going to take a minute to explain 2 things before we go on. The toe strut, it's really important you do your toe strut. That when you put your toe in front and you step your heel down, you stay in the same place. So it's not a touch and then bring your foot back, which you will see a lot of dancers do, but that's not the correct way to do it. So you put your toe down, bring your heel down in exactly the same spot. Toe strut, toe strut. The other thing I want to explain for those who don't know what it is a rocking chair. Basically a rocking chair is just a rock forward and a rock backward. So when you have 2 rocks combined, you can start backwards and be rock back, rock forward. Okay, so I just wanted to go over those 2. Okay, let's take it from the beginning and we'll add the last section on. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. I haven't even touched that section yet. Everyone was going ahead. So we did our rocking chair 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, we are going to do a military pivot. So we're going to step forward on our right, turn half turn, transfer weight onto our left, and shuffle forward. Okay, let's take that again. So we did our rocking chair. We finished our rocking chair 7 and 8. Step forward on 1, 2, shuffle 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Then we're going to do 3/4 turn. To do a 3/4 turn, we're going to start by doing a half turn to the right and putting our left foot down, and then another quarter turn to our right and put our right foot down. Okay, so let's just take that again, starting from the military pivot. So we step forward on our right, 1, 2, shuffle, 3 and 4, half turn on 5, quarter turn on 6, and then 7 and 8, we're going to do a cross shuffle to the right. 7 and 8. So again, to do your cross shuffle, I'll do it facing you so you can see. You're going to bring your left leg across in front of your right. Bring the left leg, or the right leg, just slide your right leg over so it's just about equal to your left leg. And then your left leg goes forward again. So it's going to look like this. Shuffle across. Okay, and that's on 7 and 8. Okay, let's take that last section. Then we'll put all 4 sections together. So we have finished our rocking chair, do our military pivot, 1, 2, shuffle, 3 and 4, half turn, quarter turn, shuffle across. And then we're ready to start the dance over again with our toe struts. Okay, let's put all 4 walls together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's do the next wall. I'm going to start with our toe struts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so how was that? Go back and practice it over and over and over again. And once you're really, really comfortable with the steps, you'll be ready to dance it on the music. So I'm going to put the music on now. We're going to start dancing it. And as soon as you feel ready, join in and dance with us.
I need a new tattoo. Something sexy, something dangerous. Something that's gonna make me think about us. do.
How is that? How's that? Pretty fast dance, pretty energetic. A lot of fun, isn't it? Doesn't it make you want to get a new tattoo? I don't think so. Anyways, hope you had a lot of fun with this dance, and keep working on it. Check out our YouTube channel for a lot more great dances, and hope to see you on the dance floor.